personally. Obviously, Optimus must think I have something to contribute.
Don't worry about me. I'm fine with it.
Good. Then you won't mind my pointing out your stance is off.
Should've known. You're an expert at martial arts, too.
Care to have a go?
I am disappointed. I do not believe disagreements should be settled physically.
Nobody's getting hurt. They're just testing each other.
Uh-oh. She shouldn't have done that.
Oh, nice move.
You're quite a good opponent. Let's spar again sometime, shall we?